Hi everybody, here Matteo from HyperSKU. Today we are in EU, in one of our biggest warehouse partner, and today we are visiting. They are fulfilling 10,000 orders per hour, so they are full of work, but we will go inside and we will discover everything. Come with me. So guys, here is when the product arrives. When the product arrives, they will be put in this machine. What is doing this machine? This machine is controlling that there are no problems on the product and that the products are not dangerous. After they are divided in normal products, electronic products and liquid products. So now we are going to see how they calculate weight, the country and the dimension of the product. Hi guys, so now we are here in the last mile process. So here they have just identified the size of the product, the country, and of course the weight of the product. So we take one of them, everything is geared up, and also the tracking code. And this machine is doing everything. So what we are doing is just checking. Here there is the ladder, and here the machine is like overweighting everything. What this machine can do is doing more, processing more than 4,000 orders per hour. As I said before, 1,000 and 1,000 orders are processing here. So, everything is automated, and there is an incredible software and incredible guys working here for us and for you. Here there is the quality checking, quality control service. The recontrol, if the product is right, just start the recontrol, the SKU of the product, and they will verify if the size is correct, and if the color of course is correct. In the second part, they will control if the product is fake, if the dimension of the size are correct, even though it is cheaper, and of course they will control the quality, and if there are some product issues or something like this. So the control is also done by the software, not just by the hand of the people, but as you can see, the quality control is a really important part of our job and about what is important for you, we know, and we do it right. Is the storage part. We have drop shipping part, and in another part there is the stock. But let's see. Of course, we don't do just drop shipping, but this part is what is dedicated on drop shipping. Here, as you can see, there are all the SKU of the product, and we put it there. And after, they are bringing and being to be shipped. What we have to say is, of course, as we are in drop shipping area, you know that you can ship in every part of the world, and thanks to this SKU, we can know the country, of course, which type of products. For each shelf, there is a different type of products, toys, pets, and whatever. As you can see, the space is so big and there are a lot of parcels here. So, this is the drop shipping part, everything is divided to be shipped out, but of course there is also the big part that is related on stock. Maybe we will see later, I don't know, depends on the time, but anyway, this is how we take care about your package, guys. This is the machine that selects the country. So all the products that arrive in different parts of this machine are from different countries. After, the guys put it inside this box, take it out, and of course they will bring it for the shipping. So guys, we saw all the process here inside the warehouse, all the fulfillment process, amazing. But honestly, you don't know to know everything about this thing, because we can take care about it. So, start following us here down and also contact me. You probably will see in the description here up or here down my contact, and keep in touch to fulfill your next orders. So, bye bye, by HyperSKU and Matteo.